Wednesday, May 20th, and it's literally only just warmed up here in the last couple hours. Boys have the big bay doors open, and they're Aidan's in a t-shirt. I'm still in my heavy winter jacket, but looks like we got the air hose out here, and see what they're doing here. Oh, they got the dash reinstalled. I forgot to order all the gauges, so I only ordered those the other day, and the sending units, and so that's going to take probably till next week until we can get those back in. But Aidan in the meantime is reinforcing the dash here, and we ended up having to reuse the old dash, and they cleaned it up and got it sanded down, and they're gonna have to paint it yet. But let's take a walk around the machine here real quick. So I think I pointed this out yesterday. Dad got some of the parts back on. I don't know if he's talked to Ryan Johnson here today or not, but Ryan still had to ship out some more parts, and I don't know if Dad canceled any of the parts or not, but he's moving that forward that quickly that we're in the back end of this job where we got to reinstall everything and get it running. Hopefully soon, here in the next couple of days, we can get the rest of the parts so we can move this out of the shop so they can finish off the sanding job. So I really hate when they're sanding in the shop. And I'll check back in here with Dad and Aidan right away. Okay, so we got one swing arm on here, and look at the other side, see what's that one? Oh, look at that new steering rod is installed there, and Dad was eager to get that going. Pretty soon we're going to be able to be ready here to put in the steering column and put in the power steering as well. Probably imagine that we're going to need that just to get this machine out of the shop first, and the other steering arm is installed as well. So front and back, they can probably move this machine here if they wanted to, but clearly they're doing other things like the dash installation right now. But we'll see what's the progress here today, Dad?
Well, we got steering in, the tie rods in.
Steering and tie rods, yeah.
I was welding on these.
Okay. So what are we waiting on here in order to get the wheels back on?
We got it.
Okay. Did you talk to Ryan today?
No.
No. Okay. Well, see if he has a chance to give you a call maybe tomorrow then. But anyways, this is what these guys are up to, and this is you have to take this tie rod off as well? Okay. Okay, so Dad wants to order some more parts here. He was telling me last night ordering through the Summit catalog and whatnot, but he doesn't know if it's going to arrive here in time or we should just go through our local supplier. But yeah, it's just another day of progress here altogether. Dad said he was doing welding all day. So Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy, I don't know how you guys think of the progress so far, or Jeff Anderson, or Mr. and Mrs. Clarence Olson, or my Auntie Joyce, what you guys think. But you know, maybe comment down below what you guys think of the progress so far. I know some of the videos can be a little boring here with the shop update, but Dad's 83 and Aidan's got to follow Dad's direction here, so really it only can work maybe 4 or 5 hours each a day, and but it is progressing. Every day is a opportunity for working in the shop, but it is finally warmed up, just in the last couple hours, and we're expecting double digits into the pluses for in a couple of days here. But we're gonna go check on the dogs, see how they're doing.
These C's from both sides.
Okay.
They're good now.
Okay, good.
These are the new axles.
Okay. So,
That's done.
okay, perfect.
This was welding on all day.
Yeah.
Floors.
Aidan had pointed this out the other day there that it was coming apart at the seams, and it was just glued on with some poor silicone, but Dad had everything retacked here today, and he was working on the other side yesterday. Sure handy to have a young fella around that's can get this done. And there's our neighbors, Mila the Blondie and Yeti the Yetters. And then Charles and Charge is over there. Emily was here. I don't know where she is, but I think she may have come over for just treats and left again. But old Charles is just gnawing away at his yummy. And then Nina Pinta Santa Maria never goes too far away from her Charlie. But there's our Filipino Emily. Hi, my girl. What a good dog. Underneath the neighbor's deck guarding, hey? You know you live here, right? So, okay, my baby. Oh, our dog's cooling off at the end of the day. Emily just loves the fact that she's got a river. Charlie usually goes up to about where he is right there. That's about enough for him, but Emily just loves playing in the river. When we first got her, she just couldn't believe that she had a river. And now she's down here all the time. Charlie's coughing. He drank too much water.